In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write college essays with ChatGPT. If you want a faster way to get started on an essay while still keeping your writing organized and thoughtful, this method can help. The key idea is not to let the tool do careless work for you, but to use it as a writing assistant that helps generate a strong first draft based on clear instructions. That means the quality of the result depends heavily on the quality of the prompt you give it. To begin, open ChatGPT and create a detailed prompt. In this example, the prompt asks the tool to act as an experienced college writing tutor and write a 1-200-word college essay about whether artificial intelligence should be allowed in education. It also tells the tool exactly how the essay should be structured. For example, it asks for a strong introduction, a clear thesis statement, discussion of both benefits and drawbacks, real-world examples, and a balanced recommendation in the conclusion. This part is important because the more specific your prompt is, the more useful the response will be. Instead of asking for something vague like write me a college essay, give clear expectations about the topic, length, tone, and structure. In this case, the prompt also asks for a natural academic tone that sounds human and avoids repetition or filler. That helps guide the writing towards something more polished and more appropriate for school use. Another helpful detail in the prompt is the instruction that says, if you need additional requirements, check before writing. That encourages a more interactive process and can help if your assignment has special guidelines that need to be clarified before the draft is generated. This is especially useful when you want the output to be closer to what a teacher or admissions reviewer might expect. Once your prompt is ready and you've reviewed it for accuracy, go ahead and submit it. After that, ChatGPT will generate the essay based on the instructions you provided. As a general tip, make sure you read through the final result carefully in your own voice. Even if the draft is strong, you should still revise it. Check the facts and examples, and make sure it reflects your own thinking and the requirements of your assignment. The tool can help you save time and organize ideas, but your final essay should still feel authentic and intentional. That's the basic process for using ChatGPT to help write a college essay effectively and clearly.